Okay, now see question number 7, what they have said. Find the sum of. So we are given with three algebraic expressions. Okay, we are given with three algebraic expressions. Just a second. Okay, so we are given with three algebraic expression. First one is what? 3x square plus 4x. Second algebraic expression is what? 5x square minus 3x. And third algebraic expression is what? 2x minus 4x square. So we have to add all these three algebraic expressions. So what we will do? Sum यानी addition करना है हमको. Okay, so this will become what? 3x square plus 4x in first bracket plus 5x square minus 3x in second bracket plus 2x minus 4x square in the third bracket. Now pay attention, huh? See here there is a plus sign. What it indicates, we have to multiply the terms which are there inside the bracket with this plus sign, huh? Okay. So these plus signs indicate we have to multiply with this plus signs inside the bracket. Now as it is a plus sign, so there is no change. Okay, as it is, यहाँ पे 5x square है तो यहाँ पे नीचे भी फिर से 5x square ही आएगा और ये minus 3x आ जाएगा. Okay, because plus into minus it becomes minus only. तो जब चीजें यहाँ पे plus होता है बीच में तो कोई change नहीं होता है. But if there is a minus here, there are changes then. Okay, if there is a minus sign here, there are changes. So for minus we are going to take it, don't worry. So for plus we will take it now. 3x square plus 4x terms will come as it is. There will be no change. 5x square, if there is a plus sign, there is no change. Everything comes as it is. When there is a minus sign, then the sign changes. Okay. Now see, which are the like terms? 3x square, 5x square and minus 4x square. So we will write the like terms together. 3x square plus 5x square minus 4x square and 4x minus 3x plus 2x. These are the like terms. So for this like terms, what we can write now? 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 minus 4 is what? 4. So 4x square will come here. And for this like terms, what we will write? 4 minus 3 is 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. So 4x square plus 3x is the final answer. Is it okay? Is it clear to everyone? When here minus sign will come, when we will do subtraction, that time there will be changes in the sign of the terms. Okay, now for plus sign it comes as it is. यहाँ पे जब प्लस साइन होता है तो चीजें एज इट इज आती है, बट माइनस आने के बाद में टर्म्स का साइन चेंज होता है. ओके, ओके, नेक्स्ट वन B1. हाँ, अक्षरा, and tell it
Yeah.
fast. Huh?
Sir, the question is 6x minus 3y in bracket, then 3y minus 5x in bracket, then 3z and minus x in bracket, plus 2y minus 3z in bracket. Then we will remove the bracket. 6x minus 3y, 3y minus 5z plus 3z plus minus x plus 2y minus 3z.
Next.
Then we will do like terms. 6x, then minus x,
Okay, again.
then minus 3y
See, minus 3y
plus,
and plus 3y cancel हो गया यहाँ पे.
yes, minus 3z,
So, so what is remaining?
2y
Plus,
minus 2y
plus 2y is remaining. Plus
plus
2y.
2y.
Huh. Next.
Then minus 5z,
See, for, plus 3z and minus 3z is also cancelled. So what is remaining? Minus 5z is remaining.
minus 5z.
This is
Then 6x minus x, it will be 5x
okay. It is 5x plus 2y minus.
plus 2y minus 5z.
Polak, what I wrote wrong? Yes, what is wrong, beta? Let me know. Palak.
Yes, sir. Can you get my voice?
Yes.
Sir, in the question that is 5x and you wrote bracket में भी आपने 5z लिखा और बाकी सब जगह भी आपने 5z लिखा
Okay, 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 okay,
सर
okay.
वो 5x है.
Correct, 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 correct. I have written it wrong. We'll solve it again. Okay. Palak, keep your mic on. 6x minus 3y
Plus in
plus
bracket 3y minus 5x plus 3z
x plus 3z. Okay.
bracket close plus bracket minus x plus 2y minus 3z bracket close. So 6x minus 3y plus 3y minus 5x plus 3z minus x plus 2y minus 3z.
Okay. So now this
Now
plus
3y
3y
3y cancel.
cancel. 3z
So
3z cancel.
yes 6x
Minus 5x
minus 5x
minus x
minus x and
plus
minus
plus 2y.
plus 2y. Yes.
So what about these like
So
terms?
x
How x? 6x minus 5x minus x.
1x.
It will be 0x. How 1x? Zero.
Yes, yes, sir. 0x.
So this will be 0x plus 2y. The final answer will be only 2y.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Now it's correct. Here instead of this 5x, मैंने 5z लिखा था. That's why it was wrong. Okay. Please correct it. This is the correct answer for B1. Okay. Next one. C1. Who will try this? Yes, Harshvardhan.
सर मुझे पीछे बी वाले का आंसर आप अगर हम 0x प्लस 2y लिखेंगे तो वो राइट होगा ना?
Yes.
यस सर 1 मिनट आई विल से C1. x minus 8y plus 3xy minus y plus y plus 1. So like terms are x sir x is only one like term, so minus 8y.
Okay, wait. This plus y minus y will get cancelled. This minus 8y will come as it is. Plus 3xy will come as it is. And plus 1 will
This
come.
and one.
This is the answer. Okay, next one. Who will tell me the next one? Mute yourself, Harshvardhan. Yes, Lakshmi Nivas. Lakshmi Nivas.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Yes, sir. Sir, x2
X square, it is x square.
x square y minus 3x plus 4 and 8x square y plus 3x minus 4.
Minus 8x
So
square y
in
it is.
bracket x square y minus 3x plus 4 plus bracket close plus in bracket minus x y square y plus 3x plus minus 4. Then x square y and 3x plus 4 and sir 3x and 3x are like terms na. Yes.
So what is the
Yes,
answer?
sir.
Minus 7x
And
square.
3x minus 7. Yes, sir.
Mute yourself. Om Ganesh Jadhav, can you answer me the last one of 7th?
Yes, sir. Sir, the question is a square plus b square plus c square bracket close plus b square minus c square minus a square plus c square minus a square minus b square.
Hmm.
Then we will remove bracket a square plus b square plus c square plus b square minus c square minus a square plus c square minus a square minus b square. So the like terms are a square plus a square minus a square
Okay, instead,
minus a square.
wait. Instead of writing the like terms together, plus a square minus a square कट गया, plus b square
b
minus b
square
square कट गया,
minus b square
उसके बाद plus c
plus c
square
square
minus c square.
minus c square.
Again, what is cancelling? Is there anything to
b
cancel?
square, no sir, b square plus c square minus a square.
That is the answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now we will start the 8th question. Okay. Who will tell me the 8th one? Kalash, bolo. Kalash.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, the question is, sir, it's there. You have read the
Okay. There is a typing mistake. Consider it.
the length and breadth of a rectangle are 5x plus 2y
Hmm.
meter and 2x plus y meter respectively. Find its perimeter. So,
Hmm.
sir, perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2l plus b. Now we will put the values 5x plus 2x plus 2y plus y. Sir, answer will be 7x plus 3y in bracket multiplied by 2. Now, sir, 7x into 2 is equal to 14x and 3x 3y into 2 is equal to 6y. So, sir, answer will be 14x plus 6y.
Okay. Correct. Now pay attention. Everyone will draw this figure. Huh? बहुत से लोगों को पता ही नहीं perimeter क्या है. In exam there was a question for equilateral triangle. Okay, its perimeter was given and from that you need to find the side. तो सब लोगों ने क्या किया है, perimeter जो given था उसका ही 3 times किया है and the answer was wrong. Okay, those who have seen the papers they might have come across this. Okay, और जिन लोगों ने अभी तक पेपर देखा ही नहीं है तो वो लोग जब देखेंगे तो उनको पता चलेगा कि क्या मिस्टेक किया. पेरीमीटर यानी बाउंड्री, किसी भी फिगर की बाउंड्री को हम लोग पेरीमीटर बोलते हैं. अभी यहाँ पे ये रेक्टेंगल है तो इसका पेरीमीटर क्या होगा, इसका पेरीमीटर, अगर आपको फॉर्मूला नहीं भी आता है तो आपको फिगर तो पता है ना रेक्टेंगल. ओके, रेक्टेंगल का फिगर तो पता है ना. सो फ्रॉम दैट बाउंड्री यानी क्या, ए बी. Okay, now for this figure, boundary is what, AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Like this also you can get the perimeter. If you know the figure, if you don't know the formula, from the figure also you can get the perimeter. अभी देखो rectangle में opposite sides equal होते हैं, यानी ये CD भी क्या हो जाएगा, L is equal to 5x plus 2y. L यानी क्या, length. Okay, and this will be equal to this BC will be equal to AD. So B is again equal to 2x plus y. Okay, because opposite sides of the rectangle are equal. Just put the values here. 5x plus 2y. BC is what? 2x plus y. Again CD is what? 5x plus 2y. And again DA is what? 2x plus y. सबको लाइक टर्म्स को साथ में लेके एडिशन कर दो. तो अभी लाइक टर्म्स देखो, 5x 2x 5x 2x कितना हो गया, सब साथ में जोड़ेंगे तो हम लोग 14x. ओके, फिर बाद में ये 2y y 2y y, these are the like terms. So 2y plus 2y 4y and y plus y 2y. So 6y. 4y plus 2y is what? 6y. This is the answer. So here the unit will come in meters because we are, perimeter means we are telling the length of the boundary. What is the length of the boundary? So it will again come in meters only, because perimeter is also a length. Is it clear to everyone? Everyone will draw the figure also. I want the figure also, because you don't know how to find the perimeter. Please give the response in the chat box. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir. Sir, it will come 14x plus 4y ना sir.
Y कितने है? गिनो भला बेटा. ये एक y है, ये एक y है, ये एक y है, ये एक. कितने है? गिनो अभी टोटल. मैथ्स
4,
एडिशन.
6. Sir, 4y is there and 4. 1 yes sir. Sir, we will take 1y 1y.
हाँ, okay. So now how many y? Arya, I want the figure. Don't give me any such reason that I have done it and मुझे नहीं पता. I want the figure there. Afterwards in exam, what you do, I know very well. You write that question again, no problem. But I want the figure there. Okay, question number 9. Who will try this question number 9? Yes, Akshara.
Yes, sir. Sir, the question is minus 5y from 15xy. We have to subtract it.
It is
So we will
minus
write,
5xy, not minus 5y. It is minus 5xy.
yes, sir. Then we will write 15xy
Okay.
minus 5xy.
Minus of minus 5xy. Okay.
Then minus will become plus.
This minus into minus, this will become plus. So what it will come?
Then 15xy plus 5xy, it is 20xy.
20xy. Correct. So this is the answer for first one. Okay. Next one, Palak, bolo.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Given is 2x minus y from 5x plus 7y. So, sir, here we will do 5x plus 7y minus in bracket 2y minus y.
Now pay attention, huh? Listen to me, Palak. You keep your mic on only, no problem. Whenever this minus sign comes na in between these two brackets, तो ये minus sign उसके बाद वाला जो bracket होता है ना, उसके अंदर के जो terms होते हैं, उसको हमको multiply करना पड़ता है. So I told it before also. When there will be a minus sign, there will be changes in the sign of the terms. तो अभी देखो ये minus है बीच में, तो यहाँ पे ये minus के पहले का as it is आएगा. बट माइनस के बाद वाला जो ब्रैकेट है ना उसमें चेंजेस होंगे. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? -2x एंड दिस माइनस इंटू माइनस दिस विल बिकम +5. यानी ये 2x का साइन क्या था? प्लस था, तो वो माइनस हो गया. ये y का साइन क्या था? माइनस, तो वो प्लस हो गया. तो साइन चेंज होता है. ओके. प्लस का माइनस, माइनस का प्लस होता है. इज इट क्लियर टू एवरीवन? व्हेन देयर इज अ माइनस साइन, after that minus sign, whatever the terms are there in the bracket, their sign gets changed. Okay. Now see the like terms. 5x minus 2x. Yes, Palak, continue.
Yes, 5x minus 2x and 7y plus y.
Hmm.
So then 3x plus 7 y, 8y.
Okay. So 3x plus 8y is the answer.
Yes.
Okay, mute yourself. Next one, who will try the next question? Yes, Kalash, bolo.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
So the question is 3x minus 2y plus 9.
Hmm.
3x minus 2y plus 9 from 4x plus y minus z.
Hmm. Next.
Sir, we will now take 4x plus y minus z minus 3x minus 2y.
+2y मैंने क्या बोला है, ये माइनस
Yes,
के
sir.
साथ ये जो ब्रैकेट है इनके साइन चेंज हो जाएंगे। ये 3x था तो ये -3x हो गया।
नहीं
ये
सर, मैं ऊपर की स्टेप ही बोल रहा था.
ऊपर के स्टेप में भी कहाँ ये है? हाँ, ओके ओके फाइन, करेक्ट, बोलो।
Yes, sir. Now we will remove bracket 4x plus 5 minus z minus 3x plus 2y minus 9.
करेक्ट। Now
Now,
like
sir, we will not write like terms as it is. We will do 4x minus 3x is equal to x. Then plus y plus 2 plus y plus 2y is equal to plus 3y and minus z. Minus z and minus 9 are common terms, sir. So write x plus 3y minus z minus 9 is the answer.
-z and -9 are not the common terms, they are single terms, उनके साथ कोई पेयर नहीं है। Okay,
Yes, sir.
so this is the answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next one, who will do the next one? Vaishnavi, Vaishnavi Vagmare. Yes, Vaishnavi.
Yes. 7 minus x plus x square bracket minus x square plus 5. 7 minus x plus x square minus x plus x square minus 5.
Like terms.
7 minus 5
Like terms.
x square plus x square
X square plus x square
minus
minus x plus 7 minus 5. Okay, these are the like terms. So what we will get? 2x square. X square plus x square यानी 1x square plus 1x square, that is 2x square. Now minus x, it will minus 2x. And this will come plus 2. Okay.
Yes.
Mute yourself, Vaishnavi. Next one. Okay. Who will tell me this? Very easy. Who will try this? Harshvardhan. Today you are having many doubts.
No, sir. Sir, in last question, so sir, I write 7 minus 5 before.
No problem. Correct it is.
No problem, no, sir.
Correct it is.
So, sir, my answer came to that only came, but in
Order is changed. Order is
order
changed.
is right.
No problem. It is correct.
Yes, sir.
Okay, who will try this one? Okay, Akshara.
So first we will write in bracket 3 upon 5 BC.
Okay, I will write like this, huh? 3 upon 5 not. I will write 3 BC upon 5.
Okay, sir. 3 BC upon 5 and then minus 4 AC upon 5.
Okay. Next.
Then minus
Minus.
AB upon 7.
Okay.
Then minus 35 BC upon 5.
35 BC upon 5. Okay, next.
Plus 6 CA upon 5.
6 CA upon 5. Okay, bracket close.
First we will do 3 BC upon 5 and minus 4 AC upon 5.
Minus 4 AC upon 5. It will be as it is. Huh.
Yes, sir. The minus AB upon 7 plus 35 BC upon 5 minus 6A upon 5.
Minus, yes, correct. Here it will come minus. 6 CA upon 5. Okay.
Then we will do 3 BC upon 5 and minus 4 AC upon 5. Sir, we will do like term.
So which are the like terms? I was telling that only.
3 BC upon 5, 35 BC upon 5.
This and this. Okay, these are the like terms. Again, ACCA, ये वाला भी like term है देखो. This
4
one
C,
and
4
this
AC and 6
4
AC.
6
6
CA.
CA.
Okay, these are the like terms. So square box and circle, these are the like terms. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so we will write
3
them.
BC upon 5
Mhm.
plus 35 BC upon 5.
Okay, next minus
Then
4 AC
minus
upon
4 AC upon 5 and minus 6A upon 5. Then we will do
minus
addition of
AB upon 7. This will come as
minus
it is.
80 upon 5.
This will come
Yes.
as it is.
Then we will do addition of 3 BC upon 5 plus 35 BC upon 5.
Now see, the denominator is same. Denominator is same. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So 3 BC plus 35 BC and ये 30.
38 BC upon 5.
Correct. यहाँ पे भी
And
देखो.
then 4 AC minus 4 AC upon 5 and minus 6A upon 5. So it will be a plus, we will do plus there. So it will be 10 CA minus 10 CA upon 5.
You
and
can
minus
write it
80.
CA या फिर AC also. Huh? It's your choice.
Okay, sir.
CA, AC,
Then
both are same.
minus AB upon 7.
This is the answer. Sorry, if the denominator is different, na Harsh, we make the denominator same by taking the LCM. We have done it in rational numbers. Rational numbers, fraction also we have done it. Harsh Lahoti. If the denominator is not same, for making the denominator same, we take the LCM of the denominators. If what you're telling, if the denominator is different, so it will be like or unlike term. See, for like terms, everything should be same. यानी जो variable part है, that should be same. Okay. Okay, next one. What should be subtracted from 0 to get x square minus x plus 3? Who will tell me? Yes, Palak, bolo.
Sir, so here we have to subtract from 0. So first we can write no that the other number as 0, the other number as x.
X already is there. X के फॉर्म में ही एक्सप्रेशन गिवन है, तो आप फिर से x लोगे तो कंफ्यूजन नहीं होगा क्या? Take
Sir,
some,
y.
yes, take some other variable. Let the number to be subtracted be y.
Yes.
Number to be subtracted be
From y.
y. Okay. So what it will come according to the given statement? 0 minus y, it is equal to
x square minus x plus 3.
okay.
Yes. Now we will solve it x 0 minus y is
We
y.
want the value of y, so y should come on LHS and everything remaining should go on RHS. So minus y will be equal to x square minus x plus 3. We want the value of plus y, not minus y. So we will have to shift this minus sign to RHS. तो ये RHS में भेजने के बाद क्या हो जाएगा? ये minus x square हो जाएगा.
X square.
ये प्लस एक्स हो जाएगा और ये -3 हो जाएगा. नाउ दिस इज द आंसर.
Yes.
Okay. So write down the number to be subtracted. नंबर नहीं बोल सकते हम लोग. Okay. The number what should be subtracted from 0 to get. Don't use the word number here. Okay. Don't use the word number here. Expression, yes, you can use expression. Let the expression to be subtracted be y.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. So the expression to be subtracted
Hmm.
b equals to minus x square plus x minus 3.
To be subtracted from 0 is minus x square plus x minus 3. Okay.
Yes.
Mute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Have we completed the exercise or some questions are remaining? Okay. Okay. Simplify 11th one. Yes, Harshvardhan. We have to simplify this. Come on, we have very less time.
Yes, sir.
3 minutes. We have to complete this.
Sir, first we will take we will write quotient x minus 3x plus
We will
5
multiply this 1 by 2 inside the bracket. So this will become 3x square by 2 minus 5x by 2.
plus 5 minus
Now
3.
see, it is minus
X
1 by
minus
2. Wait. It is minus 1 by 2. So it will become plus 5x here. Sign will also change.
plus
Uh,
plus 5x.
Now these are the like terms. So x square upon 1 minus 3x square upon 2. These are the like terms. उसके बाद minus 3x upon 1 and plus 5x upon 2. These are the like terms. And plus 5 upon 1 minus 7 upon 2. These are the constant
Like
terms. Not like terms. Yes, like terms because they are constant. Okay. So solve this. Either you take the LCM or you do the cross multiplication. So this will become what if we do cross multiplication 2x square minus 3x square upon 2. This will become what minus 6x plus 5x upon 2
minus 6x plus 5x upon 2 plus 5 upon 10 minus 7
minus x
upon
square upon
2
2 minus x upon 2
upon 2 minus
plus 3 upon 2. This is the answer.
plus 3 upon 2. Yes, sir.
Okay. Remaining we will continue tomorrow.
Yes. Bye, sir.